Hello and welcome to my very simple Eyebrow 101 tutorial for this show. To get started, you're going to want to get a spoolie. I don't have one on hand, but I do have an old mascara wand. And you're just going to brush your eyebrows up and outward. I'd like to think of it as having your face almost like a compass. Closer to the middle of your eyebrows north, you're going to be going up, and closer to the arches of your eyebrows, you're going to be going northeast and northwest. So the trick is just to be going up and out. Next, we are going to start filling in our eyebrows. I personally don't have any dedicated eyebrow products, so I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow. I recommend that when choosing a color to fill in your eyebrows with, to lean darker instead of lighter. When the lights are going to hit you, I promise that you are going to lose some of the darkness that is in your eyebrows. And it is very important that you have your eyebrows when it comes to portraying emotion on stage. You want to make sure that everybody can see them. They're very big, strong point when it comes to being able to read emotions on the face. So if you don't have your eyebrows, no one's going to be able to see what you're doing. So if you think this is a little dark, this is a little crazy, that's okay. You're doing great. For this show, no one's really going to be making their eyebrows bigger or smaller in terms of like width or length. You're really just going to want to follow the natural arches of your eyebrows. You're going to follow where your hairs naturally lay. And if anything, you can go a little bit bigger if your eyebrows are pretty sparse. But overall, you should just be filling in. Next, I am going in with the eyebrow gel. We are going in the same motions as we did earlier when we were first brushing out our eyebrows. Closer towards your middle of your face, you're going to be going upwards, and towards the arches, pretend your face is a compass. You're going to be going northeast and northwest. It's okay if your eyebrows look a little bit fluffy, a little bit bigger, bolder than what you're used to. This show is Greek, so it's okay if your eyebrows are a little bit more than what you think they should be. For the last bit, you're just going to want to fill in a little bit more where you may have lost color, or you may have smudged something out. And with that, we are just about done. I personally like to go in with a foundation or concealer afterwards just to clean up everything, make everything a little bit more neat. Once you've cleaned up the details and you're satisfied, you're done.